Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to make collard greens vegetarian. First, choose fresh collard greens with deep green leaves. Next, wash each leaf meticulously under cold water to remove any grit. Then, remove the tough central stems by folding the leaves and tearing them off. Finally, chop the cleaned leaves into 1-inch to 2-inch pieces, preparing them for cooking. To build a rich, vegetarian flavor, begin by sautéing 1 diced onion and 2 cloves of minced garlic in a tablespoon of olive oil until softened. Pour in 4 cups of high-quality vegetable broth. Stir in 1 teaspoon of smoked paprika and 1/4 teaspoon of red pepper flakes. This combination creates a savory base, mimicking traditional flavors without meat. Now, carefully add your chopped collard greens to the simmering, flavorful broth. Make sure all the greens are fully submerged in the liquid. Cover the pot tightly and let them simmer gently for about 45 to 60 minutes. Stir them occasionally to ensure even cooking, allowing the greens to become wonderfully tender and absorb all those delicious flavors. Once the collard greens are tender, taste and adjust the seasonings. You might want to add a bit more salt or freshly ground black pepper. A small splash of apple cider vinegar at the end really brightens the flavor. Serve these delicious vegetarian collard greens warm as a hearty side dish. They pair wonderfully with many meals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.